Welcome to our old Charles. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of coin collecting and focusing on a very interesting piece, the Hong Kong 20-cent coin from 1975. This coin is not only a piece of currency but a small piece of history that tells us about Hong Kong during the mid-1970s. The 1975 Hong Kong 20-cent coin was minted during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II and features her portrait on the obverse side with finely detailed inscriptions that show the royal connection. The reverse side of the coin showcases the traditional Hong Kong floral design along with the denomination clearly marked. Its metal composition is primarily cupro nickel, which gives it a distinct silvery appearance and a durable feel in your hand. Collectors today often search for this coin in a variety of conditions from circulated to uncirculated examples. A circulated coin will show signs of wear, including minor scratches and a slight fading of the design, but still retains significant value. Depending on the overall eye appeal, coins in uncirculated or mint condition are rare and highly sought after by numismatists around the world. The value of a 1975 Hong Kong 20-cent coin can vary widely based on condition, rarity and demand. Coins that are heavily worn may have modest value, but those in excellent condition or with unique minting characteristics can command a higher price. It is also important to consider the historical context when evaluating this coin. Hong Kong in 1975 was under British administration and the economy was growing, which influenced coin production and circulation. The 20-cent coin was a commonly used denomination for everyday transactions, which means many examples were handled frequently and fewer have survived in pristine condition for collectors. This makes finding a well-preserved 1975 20-cent coin a rewarding challenge when determining the value. Experts look at several factors, including the coin's luster, the sharpness of the design, any signs of cleaning or damage, and the presence of any rare mint errors. Some coins from this year may have slight variations in the rim or lettering, which can significantly increase their value. Coin grading services can provide an official assessment which helps establish a fair market price, whether you are buying, selling, or simply cataloging your collection. In recent years, the market for Hong Kong coins has seen steady interest, particularly for coins from the 1970s. Collectors from Asia, Europe and North America are interested in adding these pieces to their collections. The 1975 20-cent coin is often featured in auction catalogs and online coin marketplaces where prices can fluctuate based on availability and collector demand. It is always advisable for collectors to carefully research recent sales to understand current market trends. If you are a new collector looking to start with the 1975 Hong Kong 20-cent coin, it is recommended to handle coins carefully, avoid cleaning them harshly, and store them in protective holders to preserve their condition over time. Learning about the history and minting process adds depth to your collection and enhances the enjoyment of numismatics. The history of the Hong Kong 20-cent coin from 1975 is closely tied to the colonial period of Hong Kong under British rule. Queen Elizabeth II became the monarch in 1952 and her portrait appears on the obverse side of the coin, which reflects Hong Kong's status as a British colony during that era. The 20-cent coin had been in circulation in various forms since the early 20th century, but the 1975 issue represents a period of modernization in coinage design and production. During the 1970s, Hong Kong was experiencing significant economic growth. The territory was transforming from a manufacturing hub into a vibrant center of trade and finance. This economic expansion meant there was a high demand for coins for daily transactions. The 20-cent coin was commonly used in shops, markets, and for transportation fares, making it a very practical piece of currency. Many coins from this period show signs of heavy circulation, which tells us about the busy commercial life of Hong Kong in 1975. The design of the 20-cent coin in 1975 was influenced by British coinage standards but also incorporated local symbolism. The reverse side features the Hong Kong orchid tree flower, which is a symbol of the region's natural beauty and cultural identity. The inscriptions clearly mark the denomination in English and Chinese, reflecting the bilingual nature of the colony. The coin was minted in cupro nickel, which was chosen for its durability and resistance to wear and corrosion. Collectors often note that the 1975 20-cent coin is part of a larger series of coins produced in the 1970s that marked Hong Kong's transition into a modern economic center. While the coin was everyday money at the time, today it serves as a historical artifact that captures a snapshot of life in mid-20th century Hong Kong. Its design, style and composition tell the story of British influence, local culture and economic development, all in a small metal piece. Over the years, the 1975 Hong Kong 20-cent coin has become increasingly sought after by Numismatists because fewer coins have survived in pristine condition compared to earlier issues. Some coins also have small minting variations which can make them even more valuable and historically interesting. Each coin reflects the careful craftsmanship of the Royal Mint and the practical needs of a bustling colony during a period of rapid growth and change. Understanding this history adds depth for collectors because it connects the coin to real events and daily life in Hong Kong during the 1970s. Collecting coins like the 1975 20-cent piece is not only about value but also about preserving a tangible connection to the past and appreciating the artistry and cultural significance embedded in every detail. When it comes to collecting the Hong Kong 20-cent coin from 1975, the condition of the coin is one of the most important factors in determining its value. Coins that have been well preserved over the years can be significantly more valuable than coins that show heavy signs of circulation. The condition is usually described using terms such as circulated, uncirculated, and mint state. A circulated 1975 20-cent coin is one that has been used in everyday transactions. This means it may show signs of wear, including minor scratches, nicks or dents, and some fading of the design details on both the obverse and reverse sides. The high points of the Queen's portrait and the floral design on the reverse may appear slightly smooth or less sharp. Coins in this condition are still collectible and can give you an idea of the coin's historical use and journey through the hands of many people. Uncirculated coins are coins that show no evidence of having been used in transactions. These coins retain their original luster and sharp details and usually have minimal contact marks, if any. Some uncirculated coins may be designated as about uncirculated if they have only very slight signs of handling, even though they have never been used as money. Mint state coins are the highest grade. Collectors can aim for these coins come directly from the mint or have been preserved so carefully that they appear as though they just left the mint. Today these coins are rare and highly sought after because most 1975 20-cent coins were used regularly, which makes finding a mint state example a challenge. A coin in mint state will have full details of the Queen's portrait, sharp inscriptions, and a clear, crisp floral design on the reverse without any scratches or wear. Collectors also pay attention to other factors that affect condition, including toning or color changes from exposure to air and storage. The presence of scratches, cleaning marks, or corrosion can significantly reduce the value of a coin even if it appears otherwise well preserved. Coins stored in protective holders or albums are much more likely to retain their original quality over decades. For serious collectors, having a coin professionally graded can provide an official assessment of its condition and value. Professional grading services examine the coin for luster, strike preservation, and any defects and assign a grade which helps buyers and sellers agree on a fair market price. The better the condition, the higher the coin's value and its desirability among collectors, especially for a coin like the 19